I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this SKODA. If you go to your iTunes here, you'll see their SKODA BT at the bottom, but if you can't see it, just click on the red triangle with the 3 red circles and then you've got a choice. If for any reason SKODA BT 4002 or whatever the number of your cars isn't there, then go to menu, go to settings, click on settings, just scroll down here to you get to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and then you'll see here, if you scroll down from Bluetooth, gives you the choices. You see there Bluetooth audio. Now if there's no tick there, just say switch off, so switch off. So it's gone. So again, you go to settings, I'll do it again. If you can't see it on here, you go to settings, click settings, to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, wind down to Bluetooth audio, click on Bluetooth audio. Do you really want to switch on Bluetooth audio? Connection problems may occur. Well, switch on. Then we go to media, and you see up here you've got source. It's not showing anything here, so we'll click source. You've got BT audio. Click on BT audio. Barry's iPhone 10. There you go, and it's come up. You just have to make sure that other things ticked, but otherwise it's really, really simple. Turn it up. A really good audio system.